The latest jobs report from the Department of Labor just came out.
Yeah, we're taking a look at what the numbers mean for the economy. So let's turn to CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger in New York. We'll start off by saying good morning, Jill.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Jill, did the May jobs report come in as expected?
Pretty close. You know, we were looking at somewhere between 3 and 350,000 jobs. We got 390, so that's a stronger than expected, but just by a bit. We saw the two previous months revised by a total of 22,000 lower. Unemployment rate came in at 3.6%. That's just a tenth of a percentage point above where it was before the pandemic. So most of this largely expected. We really do think that over the next few months, we're going to see job creation taper off to more quote unquote normal levels, like 150 or 200,000 jobs a month.
Yeah, and Jill, let's talk a little bit about workers. How did workers do in terms of wages in May?
Well, their wages were up by 5.2% from a year ago, and that sounds really good, again, in sort of a normal economy. But remember, the inflation rate is running 8.3% annually. That means for a lot of people, again, these are just averages, a lot of workers out there, they are falling behind every time they get paid. So we know the job changers do tend to make more money because they get better raises than those who stay where they are. But 5.2% when prices are up by 8.3%, I don't have to tell you guys out in California that the price of gas is eating up a lot of wage gains.
Oh, absolutely. California not doing well. I think we have the most expensive gas in the nation. Now, this report that you're talking about, does it change anything for the Federal Reserve?
I don't think so. The Fed is on track to continue raising interest rates. Remember, Fed Chair Jerome Powell has already said to us the number one priority of the central bank right now is to fight this high inflation. And that means that when they meet in a couple of weeks, we're going to probably get another half-point increase at the June meeting, maybe another half-point after that at the July meeting. Then there's not another meeting until September, so the Fed may go on pause a bit. But again, the way that the Fed fights inflation is with interest rates, and that's supposed to dampen demand. It doesn't do anything about supply, and that means that with the war in Ukraine continuing to rage, we are seeing supply chain issues, energy markets dislocated. I think we are stuck with high prices for a while, gang.
Well, that's unfortunate, but I like that you're a straight shooter, Jill.
Sorry.
Thank you so much, and have a great Friday.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Jill. And you could see Jill offer her analysis on the CBS Evening News with Nora O'Donnell. For more information, or you can go to jillonmoney.com.